Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is JakeMaster. Today we are going to be unboxing this LED, what's it called? Transformable desk lamp with swing arm. That's what it's called. I knew that. Let's go unbox this. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did already open it up, but that was only because of the fact that I bought it off of Temu, and I just wanted to make sure before I recorded the video that it's gonna be of good quality, or at least decent quality. I was actually surprised when I opened this up for the first time. This is the power cable, goes in from your outlet, and this is the thing that goes into the arm itself. Now, as you can see, the box is plastic, not very eco-friendly, and not very premium, you know? It's definitely not Apple quality. Alright, so this is basically the entire thing. It's very large, as you can see, but this is your desk clamp. It's just like any other clamp for your monitor arm, for your microphone arm. That is, if you use a similar arm as the one I'm using, which is the boom arm for the Blue Yeti caster. We have the power inputs. We have power on, we have mode, we have probably brightness, and also on or off. I don't know. let's find out, you know. And we also have these parts are foldable, so you can have a different range of lights. So instead of using the very bright, very large studio light, I can use this on my desk, which would help me get some more light on my setup when I'm recording, when I'm using my Insta360 Pro 2 as a webcam. I can use this as some extra light so that I have proper lighting around my face, around the background and everything. The build quality is actually pretty good, if you hear this. It's like aluminum, metal or something. It's not bad actually. These joints are plastic, and you know, that's okay. We can also bend this around. We can bend this around. There's a lot of bending options here, and I feel like there's a lot of range to be had with this. So let's go put this on my desk. Now I have to change my entire recording setup for right now in order to make a proper video of this without any weird things showing. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Stop recording. Hey, putting out my hand. Look at my hand. Okay, it's not stopping. I'll just press the button then. Alright, as you can see, my microphone's recording. I'm gonna move my desk this way a little bit, but in order to do that, I have to move my desk up. So let me do that real quick. Alright, that's high enough. Let me pull my desk towards me real quick. Now this is meant for another monitor. I'm not using it right now, and that's okay. I'm just gonna put it behind my laptop. I'm just gonna let that lean against my wall for a minute. Alright, cool. That's not chilling there. I can move this like that. This should definitely help me with some lighting. If I have to move my monitors up more, I can do that as well because I have the extra space. I'm gonna plug the power in, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, now it's plugged in. As you can see, the power is also already turned on. I have space, as you can see. I have light. It's actually quite nice. The color is good. Let me see if... Oh, wow! They're not buttons. These are touch-based. That's really cool. Wait, are they? Okay, you do have to apply some pressure, but they're not real buttons. They're more like pressure sensors or something like that. The light colors are not bad. You can change with just the middle one. You can change the color, brightness. Oh wow, that is bright. And you can turn it. Oh, you can turn it off with that. That's the whole thing. So I would rate this product. You know what? I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. The quality, build quality, the way it looks, light quality, all really good actually. It did take me a little bit of getting used to the pressure sensor thing, but overall, 9 out of 10, absolutely. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Make sure to comment down below what you liked and what you didn't like about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.